Hello everyone, welcome to Data to Info. In today's video, we will see what are the connections. There are two types of connections, live connection and extract connections. So what is the difference between them? First of all, we will look at one data that we will be using to see the examples or demo. This is a long-term unemployment data statistics file. This is a Excel file for employees unemployment statistics. If you open it, and it will show you some kind of age differences from 16 to 19. There is gender, there is period, there is unemployment, how much unemployment is there within the given period. Let's say there are like January, February, March, April 2005. Okay, January 2005, February 2005, till it goes till February 2015. So 2005 to 2015, in the period, gender, men or women, and unemployment numbers, it is given. Okay, so based on this data, we have to understand what is live and extract connections are. So let's just bring this data to our Tableau real quick. This is Excel file, so I will go for Excel. I'll select the data set and bring it to the connection. Okay, so right now here there are two connections we saw last time, so we didn't use it much. We been using only live connection, not extract. So we will see both. First of all, we will look at the live connection. What is it and what does it mean? So there are two options. You can just do it the connection setting from here. Otherwise, you can just go to the sheet and do it from here as well. How you will do it from here? You see there is the sheet name, your sheet 1 and dataset name. You can just right click on it and go to the extract data, and you will find that the data will be extracted from here as well. No problem. Okay, so we will do it from here only. If you want to do it from the other screen, you can just go to the data source and you will find it over here. Okay, so let's go back to the sheet 1 first, and this is now shows the live connection. Okay, this is now shows the live connection. If it is not show the live connection, there will be two cylinders over here. The icon will be changed. Okay, two cylinders, and there will be connection between two cylinders. So we will say that it is extract connection, but it is only showing one cylinder, single cylinder. So we can say that this is a live connection. So let's bring some data and see what the live connection means. Live connection is basically whatever you work on the data sets will keep in the data sets. Whatever you change in the data set will keep changing with the data sets. Okay, there is no extra separate copy of it. Whereas in the extract, you can make your extract copy of it. Means you work on a previous data. So we are looking at the live connections. Let's take some data like period. I will take, and then I will take some unemployment. This is the dimension, this is the measures, right? Let's take some measures as well. Okay, not like that. Unemployment. Okay, you can see, right? The Tableau understood this, that this is the time period from 2005 to 2015, right? Let me just make it a little big. Just format it. Okay, anyways, so you can see this, right? So 2005 2015, and there is a number of unemployment is given, right? So what we can do, let's say we want, or we just changed something in the sheet. Let's say in our Excel sheet, in our local, we change something at the bottom. Let's change something. Uh, let's take this whole row, copy it down, and change it a little. Let's say women to men. March 2015, I will say 2016, and the number of employment is, I will take something like 99999, so that it will be visible, it will be unique. Now I have added one row over here, right? One data row over here. I will save this in my local, Control S, and I will go to the Tableau. Now you can't see over here until unless you refresh it. How will you refresh it? How will you refresh it? You will go to this sheet name and you will right click it and you will find the refresh over here. Okay, so you will click on this refresh and the data will be visible right here. See, so this is a live connection. Whatever changes you made over there will be visible over here as well, right? So there is one more thing. You can find refresh over here, but this refresh is for live connection. You can find the refresh over here as well. It's not showing right now. Okay, I'll show you that in another connection, no problem. But this is the live connection, you got it, right? So what is the extract connection then? Extract connection is basically you can make a snapshot of your data, let's say at a particular time, at any particular time. Snapshot means you can make a copy of your data, exact copy, and you can keep it safe and you can work on your original data. So whatever changes you make your original data or your extract data will not be reflected in your original data. So this is what is the difference between live and extract. So we will see what extract looks like. Let's say we will undo these changes from here, 2015-16, or let's keep that one and just change the connection. Okay, let's say just change the connection, no problem. Okay, just change the connections. Go to the data source, or you can just right click over here as well, no problem, and use extract data, and you can say extract. As soon as you say extract, it will ask you to save the file. This is extract file. All right, so save it in your destination and see, I got this extract file with the extract extension as well. This is my original file, original data. This is my extract data. So this is the save data at a particular point of time. The use case can be, let's say you are working on certain data set, and after working for 10 minutes, you realize that I want to keep it safe. I want to take a snapshot of it. So you can take a snapshot of it and you can work on your new ideas. If it didn't work, you can come back to your snapshot and work from there as well. So this is how the extract is like helpful. You can also add something over here in your extract, and extract data will also get reflected. All right, so this is extract, right? So we open the sheet and we change something. Let's say we change this employee numbers from 999, let's say 444. Change it, we save this, Control S, we come back to Tableau. Now how will you refresh the extract data, not the live data? Okay, if it was live, I would have refreshed it from this option, but it is extract. I will go to the extract and go to this refresh option. All right, so this is only activated when you select the extract option. All right, click on this refresh and this pop-up will be open. Click on yes, and now this 99 will convert it to 444. This is how the extract data can be refreshed as well. So this is the key difference between live connection and extract connection. Extract connection is basically you work on your previous data, right? So I hope you learned something. Thank you very much for watching.